Welcome to the Joyful Way of Life. Our channel brought to you by Brother Jason and Sister Shanti. Sister Shanti, you want to say hi to the channel?
Hello, brethren.
Grateful platform for you all. Our channel is a community of Bible believers who love the word of Jehovah in Yehoshua's wonderful name. We're going to talk on such topics pertaining to life, purpose, struggles. We're going to bring a vast of different themes, uplifting music / videos, short moral stories, educational resources, how to do videos, scriptural art, spoken word, ancient facts, and numerical data. Brethren, there's so much going on in this world. There's a lot of suffering, there's a lot of pain. And let's be honest, if you've been reading the Bible for a long time, you would come to the realization that it wasn't supposed to be like that. We were supposed to live in a joyous, grateful, and humble platform on this earth. But sadly, that's not what we see today. So me and my wife and my grateful brethren, Shanti, is putting this channel together for you guys to realize that there is hope, that there's love, and that there's joy. And it all comes in truth. But it's very important to prove all things. So we hope that the amount of resources, the amount of time, and the amount of joy we put into this will be a benefit to you as it was a benefit to us. Because the glory never goes back to us. We're just servants. But the glory goes back to who it rightfully belongs to. And that's our eternal God, Jehovah. And our grateful Messiah, Yehoshua. So stay tuned.